Are you tired of repetitive tasks at work? Imagine saved time and energy. AI tools are transforming the workplace. Let's explore 5 AI tools that can revolutionize your productivity. First up is Notion AI. This tool simplifies note-taking and project management. It helps you plan, organize, and collaborate effortlessly. You can generate ideas and outlines quickly. It turns your brainstorming sessions into actionable plans. Next is ChatGPT. This powerful language model enhances communication. It can draft emails, write reports, and even assist with customer support. ChatGPT saves you time, improves clarity, and boosts creativity. Imagine having a writing assistant available 24/7. The third tool is Copy AI. This innovative tool creates marketing content in seconds. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or product descriptions, Copy.ai delivers. It analyzes trends and suggests compelling language. Your marketing will never feel stale again. Fourth, we have Trello with Butler automation. Trello is perfect for team collaboration. But with Butler, it automates routine tasks. You can set triggers to manage boards without lifting a finger. This means less micromanagement and smoother workflows. Finally, consider Zapier. This tool connects different apps seamlessly. You can automate workflows between your favorite tools. For example, you can sync data from a form to your spreadsheet. Say goodbye to manual entries and errors. To wrap up, these 5 AI tools promise to boost your productivity. Notion AI streamlines tasks. ChatGPT enhances communication. Copy.ai generates content fast. Trello with Butler automates project management. Zapier connects your workflow effortlessly. Embrace these AI innovations and free up precious time. Enhance your capabilities and focus on what truly matters. Start integrating these tools into your daily routine today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. What AI tool are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? By integrating these AI tools into your workflow, you can streamline processes and focus on high-impact projects. Imagine the satisfaction of tackling creative challenges with newfound energy. As you adopt these solutions, watch your efficiency soar and your stress diminish. Remember, embracing technology can reshape your daily routine for the better. Imagine a workday where mundane tasks no longer eat away at your time. With these AI tools, you can reclaim those precious hours. Visualize approaching your tasks with clarity, knowing you have powerful allies by your side. Each tool is designed to cater to unique aspects of productivity, ensuring that your work doesn't just get done, but shines with excellence. You're not just surviving the daily grind, you're thriving, equipped with the capabilities to innovate and inspire. Embrace the wave of change that these tools bring, and take that first step towards a more productive future. With Notion AI, start organizing your notes and projects seamlessly. Instead of struggling with scattered thoughts, you'll create a centralized hub for all your ideas. Visualize a digital workspace that adapts to your needs, helping you prioritize tasks and collaborate effortlessly with your team. Picture generating refined outlines within moments, allowing for deeper discussions and more productive meetings. As your brainstorming transforms into tangible plans, Notion AI becomes your trusted partner in navigating through complex projects. The clarity it brings enables you to focus on executing your vision rather than getting bogged down in administrative details. This tool empowers you to take control of your workflow, ensuring every minute counts toward achieving your goals. Next up is ChatGPT, the language model that revolutionizes communication. Picture your inbox filled with emails needing replies, reports awaiting drafts, and customer inquiries piling up. With ChatGPT, the burden of writing becomes lighter. Imagine it drafting proposals in seconds or crafting responses that maintain a professional tone. Your creativity flourishes as you brainstorm ideas or polish your written content with ease. This tool is like having a writing expert right by your side, ready to assist whenever needed. The days of writer's block are behind you, propelling your accomplishments forward effortlessly. Communication has never been this smooth and effective. The next tool, Copy.ai, offers incredible speed for creating engaging content. Visualize the ease of generating captivating blog posts or social media updates in mere seconds. With Copy.ai, your marketing strategy gains a fresh perspective, powered by cutting-edge technology. You can produce vibrant product descriptions that resonate with your audience, elevating your brand's voice. The innovative suggestions prompt your creativity, transforming content generation from a chore into an enjoyable experience. Embrace this tool and watch your marketing efforts thrive like never before. Each of these AI solutions brings a unique advantage to your workplace. As you dive deeper into Trello with Butler automation, imagine the ability to set up repetitive task automation, freeing your team to focus on brainstorming and collaboration. Picture your projects moving forward without the usual bottlenecks caused by mundane tasks. With Butler, you'll be able to create rules that trigger actions based on your team's workflow, ensuring everything runs smoothly in real time. This level of automation transforms project management into an enjoyable process rather than a stressful chore. You can celebrate the success of your projects without the weight of micromanagement holding you back. Each team member can contribute their strengths, knowing that administrative tasks are handled efficiently. Think about the energizing effect it would have on your team's morale when they can direct their creativity and talent toward designing innovative solutions, rather than getting lost in mundane routines. The smoother projects flow, the more likely your team will remain engaged and inspired. You'll witness an evolution in team dynamics, where collaboration is fostered, and every member feels empowered to share their ideas without hesitation. Let this automation be the catalyst for unleashing your team's full potential. Imagine walking into a meeting room where project updates are clearly presented, not as chaotic slides, but as cohesive narratives thanks to the seamless integration of ChatGPT. This tool not only assists with drafting, but also analyzes previous discussions, ensuring that every voice is represented and every point reaffirmed. As members engage in discussions, they can reference expertly crafted summaries that reflect all perspectives, driving meaningful conversations. This collaborative environment nurtures creativity, and every idea shared is a building block for innovative strategies. With ChatGPT enhancing clarity and communication, your meetings will become more productive and focused. Just picture the positive feedback flowing as your colleagues feel heard and understood, and the project progresses with confidence. The combination of human input and AI assistance empowers everyone involved, leading to outcomes that are not just satisfactory, but exceptional. Each discussion feels energizing, proving that when technology and teamwork align, remarkable results are achievable. Ultimately, this harmony between AI support and human ingenuity fosters a workplace where creativity flourishes. Imagine the satisfaction of implementing Zapier into your operations. This tool enables you to connect apps and automate workflows seamlessly, allowing tasks you once dreaded to happen in the background without intervention. Visualize data from your form automatically populating a spreadsheet, while notifications alert your team of updates without any manual input. With Zapier, you can eliminate time-consuming administrative tasks, turning hours of work into mere minutes. Suddenly, your focus shifts from tedious data entry to more strategic initiatives that deserve your attention. Each zap you create enhances your efficiency and transforms your workflow into a well-oiled machine. You'll find yourself saying goodbye to the errors that often creep in during manual entry, ensuring your records are precise and up to date. Imagine your days filled not with frustration, but with creativity and strategic decision-making, transforming your role in ways you've always wished for. By incorporating these AI tools, you step into a future where your productivity potential knows no bounds and the mundane becomes extraordinary. As you embrace this technological shift, picture a work environment that thrives on efficiency and innovation. Each of these tools plays a pivotal role in revolutionizing how you approach tasks, enhancing not only productivity, but also creativity. Imagine feeling empowered to focus on strategic initiatives, knowing that routine activities are being managed effortlessly. With each step taken towards integrating these AI solutions, you redefine your workdays, making way for inspiration and collaboration to flourish. The workplace evolves into a hub of possibility, where every challenge is met with enthusiasm and every opportunity is seized with confidence. You're not merely adapting, you're leading your team into a future that is brightened by the incredible potential of AI. With Zapier streamlining your workflows, consider the newfound freedom from manual errors and delays in processing. You can now devote efforts to enhancing creativity and strategy, cultivating an environment ripe for innovation. With each integration, your team experiences a dynamic shift toward collaboration and efficiency, empowering everyone to focus on what truly matters. Embrace the potential of these tools to not just improve productivity, but rebuild your work culture into one that inspires growth, creativity, and teamwork. Every moment saved is an opportunity gained. Let these AI-driven solutions pave the way for a more engaged and motivated workforce. Are you ready to elevate your productivity and set your sights on ambitious goals? Imagine leveraging Copy.ai to tailor your content for diverse audiences effortlessly. As you input your topic, the tool analyzes current trends, generating compelling copy that resonates with your target demographic. Visualize crafting catchy social media posts that capture attention in an instant, while blogs are transformed into engaging narratives that drive traffic and interaction. With Copy.ai at your disposal, marketing becomes a dynamic experience rather than a daunting one. Picture your team brainstorming creative ideas, energized by the potential of swift and impactful content generation. When your marketing strategy emphasizes speed and relevance, you can respond promptly to emerging trends, staying ahead of the competition. Each piece of content becomes a powerful touchpoint, enhancing your brand's connection with the audience and fostering loyalty. The ease of creation that Copy.ai offers empowers your marketing team to focus on strategic planning and audience engagement, unleashing their full creative potential. Imagine the exhilarating feeling of revolutionizing your productivity with these AI tools. Each solution not only streamlines operations but elevates your work experience significantly. As your teams come together, empowered by technology, you'll witness an inspiring shift in collaboration and innovation. You can stop worrying about the mundane and instead channel your energies towards creative solutions. By integrating these tools into your daily routine, the challenges of yesterday become the achievements of tomorrow, forging a workplace that thrives on potential and possibility. Together, these AI innovations create a brighter future for all. As you embrace these AI innovations, envision a workplace transformed, where creativity and efficiency coexist harmoniously. Each tool inspires collaboration and empowers your team to reach new heights, ultimately leading to a fulfilling work experience. Together, let's embark on this journey toward unprecedented productivity and fulfillment, shaping a future where every day brings new opportunities.